Imagine, there's not enough left in the fridge to make a decent meal, but payday is still a week away. For nearly 40 million low-income Americans, SNAP, the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, helps fill that gap. It's the difference between eating and going hungry. But now that safety net is being pulled tighter. This is another episode in our series unpacking President Trump's massive 2025 domestic policy bill. And this one's about food assistance and social safety nets. Let's start up with the headlines. Trump's bill to propose a 20% to SNAP, the food assistance program serving around 40 million people across the United States. This means smaller monthly benefits, stricter eligibility rules, and potentially millions losing access altogether under the bill. Able-bodied adults without dependents must now work or be in the job training for at least 20 hours a week to qualify for SNAP. The idea, they say, is to incentivize work and refocus support on those who truly need it, like pregnant women, children, and people with disabilities. But critics argue it's unrealistic for many who work in unstable or gigs jobs, especially in low-wage sectors where hours can change week to week. The bill also shifts part of the financial responsibility to SNAP to the states. Some states will be required to cover a share of SNAP costs, which could lead them to tighten eligibility or lower benefits, especially in places already facing budget pressure. There's more. The bill scraps the federal nutrition education program that helps SNAP recipients learn how to eat healthily on a tight budget. Public health experts warn this will hurt not just diets but long-term outcomes, especially for children and elderly people on limited incomes. Put it all together and it's a hit to the most vulnerable. The combined effects of the SNAP and Medicaid cuts is expected to lower the incomes of America's poorest households by around 2.5%. That might not sound like much, but for people already living in poverty, it could mean less food on table and higher risk of hunger. So here's what it boils down to. Trump's 2025 bill redefines how America delivers foods and aids and social support by cutting funding, increasing work requirements, and shifting costs to states. This video is part of a series covering the impact of Trump's policy bill. Don't forget to check out explainers on taxes, healthcare, immigration, and more.